Hello, grade 3. I miss you all. We already finished block 1, so we will start block 2. Block 2, talking about Microsoft Excel 2016. We will start with worksheet number 5, not 4. We will start with worksheet number 5. We will take the worksheet number 4, but not today, after 2 weeks, I think. So please, after we finish this video, read the worksheet number 5. First of all, we will talk about why we use word processing. We already studied word processing in grade 2. So we will start to know why we use word processing. We use Microsoft Word for the best word processing and document creation. To write anything, to insert tables, to put picture, to insert shapes, we use Word. Today, we will use Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the same company that created Word. Microsoft make Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and so on. So we will start with Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel provides powerful tools that enable users to organize, analyze, manage, and share information easily. احنا قلنا الوورد بتقدر تكتب فيه كلام 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 كلام، لكن مايكروسوفت اكسل بيعتمد على ايه؟ جداول. ان هو يقدر يعمل organize، ترتيب، تحليل، manage, and share information easily. That uses spreadsheet to organize numbers and data with formula and function. بقدر استخدم فيه الفورمولا and function، بستخدم فيه المعادلات عشان اقدر مثلا جمع طرح زي الاله الحاسبه كده لما تستخدمها عشان تقدر تطلع بيها عمليه حسابيه. بقدر استخدم مايكروسوفت اكسل. So how to open Excel 2016? From start press Excel. From start you are looking for Excel. If you don't find Excel, you have to write first 2 letters. First 2 letters will be EX. I will write E and X. You will see you find Excel 2016. So if you open 2016 Excel, you will find blank worksheet or blank workbook, the same. Okay, you have to you have to click on blank workbook. I open 2016 Excel, so I have to press here, blank workbook. Double click, and you will see Excel is open. Okay, how to insert new sheet? This sheet number 1, like page number 1. Okay, how to insert sheet number 2? Just click in new sheet, the sign. Okay, the plus sign again, plus sign again, plus sign again. Any number of sheet you want, just press the sum or plus sign. Now we have to know what is the letter do and what is the number do. This called any rectangle called cell. This one is called cell. This one is called cell. This one is called cell. Cell, 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 cell. All of this is called cells. Cells. C-E-L-L. Cell, 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 cell. In Arabic, خلية. خلية. This one is cell, 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 cell. This one is cells. Okay. Any rectangle called cell. Any rectangle called cell. Any rectangle called cell. Any rectangle called cell. Perfect. Any letter called column. Any letter called column. Any letter called column. Any letter called column. Column mean عمود. This one is عمود. Column, 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 column. This one is columns. أعمدة. Any letter called column. Any rectangle called cell. Any number called row. Any number called row. هو يعني صف. تمام؟ يبقى انا عندي العمود زي ما انتم شايفين كده راسي فيرتيكال، والرقم يعني ايه؟ يعني رو صف، والصف بيبقى هوريزونتال. هوريزونتال يعني ايه؟ يعني افقي. Any rectangle called cell. Any letter called column. Any number called row. Again, any rectangle called cell. Any number called row. Any letter called column. Yes. How to select cell, how to select column, how to select row. Cell, column, row, cell, column, row. How to select cell, just press on the cell. Just press on the cell. You can write anything you say, anything you want, and press enter to save. Just it. Any cell, just click on it to select and press any letter, then enter. If you want to select any cell, just press on it. Just press on it. Just press on it. Okay. If you want to select any column, just press on the letter. I select my column, 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 column. Yes, I am now in 500. 500. This one, 500. Okay. 500 cell. It's called the D500. You can see it here. D500. Any rectangle called cell. Any cell has name. Any cell has name. What is the name of this cell? A2. A2. What is the name of the cell? D3. D3. What is the name of this cell? F6. Yes, F6. You can see the letter and the number of row and the number of row, or you can see the name of cell from name box. But how to select cell? You have to click on it. How to select column? You have to put your mouse on the letter and click. How to select row? Just go to the number and click on your number. You will select the whole row. Will select your row. This is column, this is row, this is column, this is row. Okay. But how to select column, how to select row, how to select cell? It's very easy. Okay. Leave it. I will back it later. Worksheet. Microsoft Excel consists of worksheets that compose of column and row. Yes, a lot of sheets. I already bought it, a lot of sheets. Yes, no problem. Okay. This is called row, this is called cell, this is called column. Okay, very good. This worksheet, name box. Yes, very good. Yes. A cell. The intersection of column and row. يعني التقاطع. Intersection يعني التقاطع. يعني ايه التقاطع؟ intersection with. يعني هنا دي اسمها ايه؟ سيل اسمها ايه؟ A1. يبقى التقاطع مع كولوم A مع رو 1 هي دي التقاطع دي اسمها A1. السيل دي تقاطع ايه؟ تقاطع B مع 5. B مع 5. اوكي اسمها B5. تمام. The intersection of column and row called cell. Cell address. عنوان بقى السيل دي. Cell address which is column letter. column letter. يعني دي اسمها ايه؟ B3. Why it's called B3? Because it comes from B column and 0 B3. Yes, very good, very easy. The formula bar, this called formula bar. This called formula, this called formula bar. If you write anything, you will see it in formula bar. Okay. This is called formula bar. Yes. How to rename worksheet? Worksheet, this worksheet called sheet 1. I wanted to change the name to grade A. Rename, right click, right click, right click, and rename. Just write 3A. Yes. And press enter. 3A. I want to change this one to right click, rename 3B. Perfect. I want to change this one to 3C. By right click, rename 3C. Perfect. I want to delete sheet number 4. Right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, and so on. Delete, yes. Right click, delete, right click, delete, yes. 3A, 3B, 3C. How to change color? How to change? How to insert a new worksheet? I already explained this one. So how to create worksheet? I already explained this one. How to move? How to move worksheet? How to move your worksheet? If you want to move your worksheet, just press click, like left click, just left click and move until you stop anywhere you want. 3E, 3C, 3A. After move, how to change the tab color. How to change the tab color. Just right click on the tab and tab color, and change the color. Change the color. Right click, tab color, change the color. Right click, tab color, change color. You have to change any sheet you want with any color you want. Okay. To save worksheet, you have to press File, File, Save As. You have to press Browse, Browse, Browse. If you press Browse, the box will appear to you to ask you where you want to save. I will save in the desktop. Choose desktop and write your name and press save. You will see your file here. You will see your file here on the desktop. Yes. And the name of your file will be in the title. In the title. So I asked you in the task number 1 about block 2 to change, to make 3 worksheets with 3A, 3B, 3C, and then start to write any names of each class and change the name color, change the name color or letter color, and change the background. Okay, 3A, I will change Ahmed to font color, yes. I will change to red, Ahmed, and the background will be yellow. This one, 3C, Ali, I will change it to blue with green. 3B, Malak, I will change it to black with white. The same. Green, with, no, with blue. It's okay. Yes. This is a task one. You have to save it and put it in your folder in Teams. Thank you for today. Please make your task and put it in your folder. Thank you. Great. See you next week.